KeyDIY KD Tools PC Software Free Download Full Setup Guide for KD-X4, KD-X2, and KD Mini. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I warmly welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate pit stop for everything related to automobile diagnostics, ECU programming, and smart key solutions. But before we fire up the engine of today's topic, here's a quick yet important note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. All visuals, software names, and clips used belong to their respective owners, and everything here is shared under fair use to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand tools better. Always follow the manufacturer's official instructions and stay compliant with local laws when performing any diagnostic or programming work. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever wanted to use your KD-X4 or KD-X2 on your computer, just like you would on your phone? Maybe you've been wondering, does KeyDIY actually have a PC version? Well, stick around till the end, because not only will we answer that question, but we'll also tell you exactly where to download it, how to use it, and what devices it supports. Let's dive in. Yes, KeyDIY now officially has a PC software version, and it's called KD Tools. This software has been designed to give technicians a more stable, desktop-friendly environment to handle various functions like key generation, remote matching, and transponder operations without always depending on a mobile device. In other words, if your phone's battery keeps dying in the middle of key programming, this might just be your lifesaver. Imagine being able to work directly from your laptop, managing everything more comfortably on a bigger screen. That's what KD Tools brings to the table. The software is free to download and can be accessed directly from the official KeyDIY download portal at https://dlan.kde.com. Once you head there, simply select the KD Tools download link and install it like any regular program. No complicated registration or setup, just install and go. Currently, the latest version available is version 1.5.2, which continues to receive regular updates from KD's development team. This means that with each version, new functions, optimizations, and bug fixes are added to improve performance and compatibility. Now, let's talk about supported devices. The KD Tools PC software works seamlessly with KD Mini Prog, KD-X2, KD-X4, KDMP. These devices connect via USB or Bluetooth, depending on your model, allowing you to use all your familiar KD functions directly on your computer. And speaking of computers, the software supports multiple operating systems, practically everything from the classics to the latest. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and even Windows 11. So, whether you're working from an old shop laptop or a brand new workstation, KD Tools will fit right in. Let's break it down a bit more. Suppose you're using the KD-X4, which is known for its multifunctional capabilities, cloning, remote generation, and transponder editing. Instead of juggling between mobile screens, you can now plug it into your PC, open KD Tools, and perform all your tasks in a single, clean interface. It's faster, more stable, and perfect for workshops that prefer a desktop workflow. And here's a quick laugh for you. If your smartphone keeps buzzing with social media notifications every time you try to generate a remote, maybe it's time to let your PC do the heavy lifting. After all, KD Tools doesn't care about your group chats. It just wants to make your job easier. On a more serious note, this release shows how KeyDIY is really listening to its global community of locksmiths and auto programmers. The demand for a PC version has been there for years, and now, with KD Tools, they've delivered something practical, lightweight, and compatible with multiple systems. The installation is pretty straightforward. Once you've downloaded the installer, run the setup file, and follow the on-screen instructions. The software will automatically detect connected devices like KD-X2 or KD-X4 once plugged in. And since it's constantly being improved, you can expect future updates to include even more features and better performance. In simple terms, if you're into key programming, remote generation, or working on vehicle immobilizer systems, KD Tools PC software is a must-have. It's like upgrading from a smartphone screen to a full-blown dashboard. So, to answer our opening question, Yes, KeyDIY does have a PC version, and you can freely download it right now from the official website KD.com. The software is called KD Tools, and the current version is version 1.5.2, supporting a wide range of devices including KD Mini Prog, KD-X2, KD-X4, and KDMP across all modern Windows systems. Personally, I think this is a smart move by KD, giving technicians the flexibility to work on a larger screen, improve workflow, and maintain a professional setup. It's another step towards making key programming more accessible and workshop-friendly. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried the KD Tools PC version yet? How does it compare to the mobile app experience? Drop your thoughts or share your first impressions in the comments below. And before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. Did you know the name KeyDIY stands for Key Do It Yourself? It perfectly sums up their mission, empowering technicians to take control of key programming without relying on third parties. If you found this guide useful, help us keep this garage running strong. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's hit our target of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. And don't forget to hype this video by sharing it with your automotive community. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to Baabji Motors for more updates, tool guides, and expert insights. Thanks for tuning in. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and, as always, happy diagnosing.